As we go back to work after the COVID-19 lockdown, life on the road may be different to what we were used to. Here are 12 vital points to be aware of. Before getting back behind the wheel, make sure your car or van is ready for the road with a thorough check, including tyre pressures. Make sure your vehicle's MOT, road tax and insurance are up to date, especially if any of them expired or deadlines were extended during lockdown. We've all got used to low traffic levels during lockdown. As traffic levels begin to rise again, our concentration will have to rise as well. If you normally drive a commercial vehicle but have only driven a private car during lockdown, give yourself time to readjust to the size and any visibility restrictions. Don't be tempted to speed or jump a red light, even if the traffic levels are still lower than normal. The usual rules of the road still apply. Remember, if you've only been driving occasional short distances during lockdown, you're likely to get tired more quickly on a longer journey. Many of us will have anxieties about money, job security, or the health of friends and loved ones. Take extra care if your mind is elsewhere. Working from home, many of us will have come to rely even more on technology. Don't be tempted to use your devices whilst driving. During lockdown, many pedestrians have become used to crossing the road without looking. We now need to be more alert to other road users. With the risk of infection on public transport, many commuters will be switching to two wheels. Remember to give them enough room. To facilitate social distancing for pedestrians, some familiar roads and junctions may have been narrowed, leaving you less room than before. Wash your hands as often as possible. Carry hand sanitizer with you and clean your hands before and after leaving your vehicle. Remember to drive with extra care and stay safe. Everyone will need time to readjust to higher traffic levels, and other road users may be unpredictable.